This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to manage experiments in HubSpot. If you're looking to optimize your marketing strategies and make data-driven decisions, understanding how to manage experiments efficiently is crucial. Experiments allow you to test different versions of your content to determine what works best for your audience. So let's dive right in and explore how you can manage these experiments seamlessly within HubSpot. First, you'll want to navigate to the correct area within HubSpot to begin managing your experiments. Depending on what you're looking to optimize, you'll start by heading to the marketing section and selecting email, or if you're working with landing pages, you'll choose content and then landing pages. This will take you to the hub where all your campaigns and experiments live. Once you're in the right section, look for the specific tests you want to evaluate. You'll need to hover over the test you're interested in and then click on Performance. This will give you a detailed overview of how each version of your content is performing. It's a crucial step because understanding performance metrics is key to making informed decisions about which version of your content resonates best with your audience. Next, you'll want to click on the Test Results tab. This tab provides a more in-depth look at the data collected during your experiment. It's here that you'll be able to compare different metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to see which version is outperforming the other. This comparison is vital because it allows you to identify the most effective version of your content based on real data. Once you've assessed the performance metrics, it's time for the big step. You'll need to choose the best performing version as the winner. To do this, simply click on Choose as Winner next to the version that has yielded the best results. This action is pivotal because it ensures that your audience is seeing the content that is most likely to engage and convert them. After you've selected a winner, HubSpot will automatically take care of a few things for you. The winning version will be set as the live version, ensuring that your audience only interacts with the most effective content. Simultaneously, the losing version will be archived, so it's no longer active or visible to your audience. Additionally, HubSpot will update any URLs or redirects, so all traffic is directed to the winning content. This automation is incredibly beneficial as it saves you time and ensures that all potential customers are seeing the best version of your content immediately. And there you have it. Managing experiments in HubSpot is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can ensure that your campaigns are always optimized for maximum performance. Remember, the key to successful experimentation is not just running tests, but also effectively analyzing and acting on the results. Happy experimenting!